An extraordinarily splendid place to call home, Vita Student Bruce Street in Belfast is an abode for both international and domestic students. Located in a safe neighborhood, Vita Student Bruce Street offers 5 fantastic studio room types to choose from. Each studio is thoughtfully designed and equipped with everything you need, from comfortable double beds to spacious ensuite bathrooms, study desks, high-speed Wi-Fi, storage units, and wardrobes to keep your things organized. It's a true home away from home. But Bruce Street is more than just a place to sleep. Need a quiet spot to hit the books with friends? The serene study space is the perfect spot. And when you're in need of a study break, head over to the coffee lounge for a pick-me-up, or get your muscles active at the fully equipped gym. Plus, the on-site laundry facility makes laundry day a breeze. The location of Vita Student Bruce Street is absolutely unbeatable. Hop on a bus and reach Queens University Belfast in 7 minutes, or the Ulster University Belfast Campus in 15 minutes. And when it's time to unwind and explore, you're just a quick walk away from delicious food and vibrant nightlife. If you want to experience this incredible blend of quality and comfort, head over to amberstudent.com and book your stay now. Trust us,